Okay, let's get started with setting up our first project. So when we set up a project, we have a simple form. We give the information about the project, including the project name, and we're going to add the basic details of our project, including our project name, website, the regional information, including longitude and latitude, and then we're going to set some budgetary goals. What are the minimum budgets for the project? What are the maximum budgets for the project? Here is where we can also specify what are our diversity goals for the project. So from 1 to 100% is what we're looking to see in this field. And then also we can add different keywords for the project, whether it's keywords around the type of project it is or the type of resources needed. And if we do have an RFP for the project ready to go, we can either upload it here or add the link to the project under link to project RFP. And then we're going to add some of our codes, so our CSI codes or NIGP codes or the NAICS codes. And these codes are including the region and the project type and keywords. They're all used within the algorithm of LOCOMeX to give you the best results, the best matches possible. Let's talk about what the resources that we want to add to the project. So after we've added the project, what we can do is come and add different resources to the project. Okay, so now we've added a few different types of resources to our project. So now this is where we can set our risk scoring at the project level. So there was a default one for the company. Now we can set it at the project level. So you can see in this example, we'll set the financial score, risk scoring to a 2 and our environmental scoring to a 3. It's giving it a good weighted value for the environmental scoring. And we'll set our bonding to a half score and our diversity to a half score. That's a little too high. So let's get that back down. And we got to get down to 10 because that's the total of our values that we can add. Now let's say we wanted to do a diversity score of 3, so we can adjust the rest of them. So basically the risk score here is telling us where are we setting our values, what's more important, what's least important, but it doesn't exclude them as part of being important. It just gives us different weighted values in regards to how we choose who we're working with and how we're managing the project goals. So if we go back to home, you can see that we have a dashboard with the different sections of the LOCOMeX application, including a history of all the changes of a project. From the dashboard, we can go right back into our project to see its details.